Hello everybody, I'm Caden.
I'm Lindsay.
And we are Adventures of a Stormtrooper. And usually we are all about Star Wars, but we also love to scuba dive and snorkel. And we are at beautiful Castaway Cay. We just got off aboard the Disney Wish if you haven't watched some of our other videos. And we are snorkeling here in the Snorkel Lagoon off the Family Beach. That's where we are right now. And the Snorkel Lagoon has different buoys. They have white and orange buoys. The white buoys show Disney sunken treasure type attractions, like there's a Dumbo vehicle,
Prince Eric,
and Mickey, Minnie, Daisy we found, treasure chest. Oh, we'll show you what we found. We got all the video of it. But come along on our snorkeling adventure.
Let's go try.
Well, we're happy to report we found all the different buoys that we could see, and white indicates that there is a Disney-themed sunken object, and orange indicates it's a nautical, more generic, like ship-themed object. And I kind of tried to show the buoys on a couple of them so you can see for yourself. But I hope that kind of helps what you're looking for. They're farther out, like the farthest one out is like all the way to the breaker barrier on the back. So you do have to swim quite some ways, and it took us about 50 minutes for us to find all of them. But I hope that helps. We noticed no one else kind of showed them all, so we hope that helps on your castaway day if you're a big snorkeler, scuba diver. I wish they had scuba diving, because it would be fun to scuba dive all those different things. But we saw a stingray and a lionfish was hidden in that big tower in the way back.
And then at the end we had a little friend named Freddie.
Oh yeah, the little fish that we kind of showed a lot of video of, we named him Freddie. And Freddie kind of hung out with us for like 15 minutes. He swam between my legs, Lindsay was telling me as I was swimming us back in. So you can make a lot of memories. And the last time we were here, we did see a turtle. We didn't find the turtle this time, but there are turtles, stingrays. We saw a couple surgeonfish, tangs, jackfish.
I think I saw squirrelfish too.
Oh yeah, you're right. I did see squirrelfish and some sergeant major. So they've got quite a few fish in that little lagoon, so it's fun. So thanks for joining us on our adventure. Bye.